Hello and welcome back, guys. Hello, hope you are doing well. And today in this lecture, I'm gonna discuss about loops. Especially in this lecture, I'll actually I will do this lecture on for loop and how do we iterate over the collections using for loop. So if you didn't subscribe this channel, please subscribe the channels and for my upcoming videos, so that you can get the notifications when I will upload the new video. So let's jump into the Xcode. So what is loop? Actually, loop is used. Loop is a block of code which is used to do the repeated task. Most likely, suppose I want to print the number from 1 to 10. So uh, how do I print this? Then I need some kind of a mechanism which can actually does this task for us, rather than it's actually print 1 2 3 4 and until the 10 times. So uh, this is where actually we can use loops. So the syntax of loop is there, just like this. uh, uh, for here you can set the index I. Let's suppose I in 1 and dot and the range. This is the range actually. Let's suppose I want to print it until 10. So just I this is the syntax. Here is this is the index, and this is the range. This is the range. So I want to print it until 10. So just print I, and that will print 10 times. We can print it something like that. Without for loop we can print it, print uh, 1 and just we can repeat it. But this is until 10 we can repeat it. But this is not the best way to write our code. This is a repeated task, which we don't want to repeat our code. So just to make our code cleaner, we use actually for loop. For loop have very good benefits actually to use of it. So here it's a printing until 10. uh, let's suppose you want to print less than or equal to. So just you want to you want to print a less than 10 number from 1. So just you can give this, and this this will print until 9. It means it is not including now 10. So you can also use greater than conditional expression you can use here. So I'm printing until 10, so it's printing until 10. uh, so let take a variable number, uh, int 0. Let's suppose I want to print this number in just like this number plus equal to I. So you just want to print it. So print number. Here we have to give a space. I want to print this number. So what's happening here now? uh, at in first time it will print 0 plus index 1 plus 1, which is in the index right now, so it will print 1. Now it has got 1 in their index, and yeah, and in the number, and now it has got 1 in the number, and in their index it has got 2 because it has incremented. So 1 plus 2 is equal to 3, and now it has got number 3 in the in number variables, and 3 here actually in the index, so it goes 6, and until it is gone it and so on and so forth to 55 there. So let's come to now to what we have discussed in collections. uh, we have discussed in collections. I said, as in collection, I said to you that I will use collections in for loop, uh, and I will loop through that collections in for loop. So let's discuss that example. So let's take an example here. Let's suppose we have but an array of player where, as I already told to you, tell you, this syntax of array is something like this. Without Vijay Sharma, and that's it. This is the array. I I want to loop through this array. So how I would actually loop through to this array? Just very simple. You can you, it's a very simple to loop through this. For give player in players. So print this player is slash and a player. So you can see there it's printing 3 times because we have got only 3 elements in our array, so it's printing 3 times. And this player is Virat, this player is Vijay, this player is Sharma. So it's printing the collections, especially the array, and it's loop throughing over array. So this is how you can loop through an array in for loop. So if you want to loop through dictionary, so how do you do like that? So it's a bit of a different actually to loop through in dictionary. So let's discuss as well. So let's set up a dictionary where scores. In dictionary, we just actually give type and key value pair. So discuss the type of key value pair. Key will be string and value will be there actually integer. So What will be the value here? Actually, value will be the score of the player. How much he has score. So just set up the dictionary. Where are score 100? Vijay score 50 and Sharma score a duck. So this is the dictionary. So how would you actually look through this? So for that check we actually uh, we will look through for the score in this. So for score in scores. So what you want to actually print here, score dot you have to tell or what value you want to print the key or a value here. So you have to specify. Let's suppose I want to look through the value of this dictionary. So I can say values, or so it will now look through the values only. So print. So print the score is slash and then score. Now score will print. The score is 0, 50 and 100. Now it's not in order actually. It's in order actually. 0, 50 and 100 in the ascending order. So it's printing the value of what the player has scored. So but if you want to print key and value pair both, so how you print that? So it's a different way to print, like print the key and values in the same time. So let's discuss for, if you want to print key and value, so you have to define uh, player comma score in scores. Now you have to actually print this statement. So the your player score is score. So now it is printing the key and value at the same time. Here you can see that Sarma's score is 0. Yeah, of course Sarma's score is 0, and Vijay's score is 50. Yeah, of course Vijay's score is 50, and it, your score is 100. Yeah, it is printing the 100 as well. So that's how you can actually loop through, guys, through the collection. So especially dictionary and an array. How do you collection? So how do you loop through the collection? So this is how you can loop through the collections in Swift. So thank you guys for watching this video. Uh, this is it for this tutorials. Hope you like it. Please subscribe my channel so that you can actually get the notification when I'll upload the new videos. So that's it, guys. Keep on coding. Have a great day ahead. Thank you very much.